written by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one's looking. You should just give the button a little push. Should we push it? Let's give it a little push. Aw, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Ah! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Goodness. Oh no. There's so many Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost, a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. See, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again, okay? But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Don't Push the Button is available for checkout at the library.